Good morning everyone, this is Matt here from UK Carbon Cleaning. We are in Folkestone, wet and dreary today, unfortunately for us. Working on this Volvo V40, a bit of an interesting one this. This has been into both a Volvo dealer and an independent garage. The Volvo dealer simply said straight away new DPF, which is obviously totally incorrect. It needs to be diagnosed first correctly. It then went to an independent who replaced these pressure pipes here, this one and this one, brand new pressure pipes that go down to the DPF, and a new DPF pressure sensor, and did a regeneration. Unfortunately the regeneration didn't work because it was too clogged, but they actually diagnosed the original fault, which was split pipes. And the sensor wasn't reading correctly on the live data after the new pipes had gone on there. The concern was that originally the regeneration worked, but the problem returned. So they went back and they did another regeneration, which this time didn't work, cleared it for 3 or 4 days. So they were stumped. Volvo wanted a lot of money for a new DPF. So the client gave us a call. I've come down. It's taken me about 10 minutes to diagnose that the new sensor's not reading correctly at 2,500 RPM. When we've tested it, it reads 33 millibar, and our manual live data test reads 54 millibar. So it's reading massively out. It's not overly dirty, but the client wants to have a full engine clean and then a DPF clean, and then he's going to be going back to the garage to have that sensor re-replaced, because it was only 400 miles ago that was put on, so that'll be done under warranty. I'm sure the garage will be happy that we've got to the bottom of the problem for them, but it just goes to show that you really need to know what you're looking for as a specialist in DPF cleaning. If you get these sort of problems, you're better off dealing with somebody that really does specialise in such issues, rather than going to a generic independent garage, or especially the dealers, because unfortunately they'll just the dealers especially will just want to replace your DPF at huge expense. So this is presently going through a 3-stage carbon clean. For those of you that don't know what that is, this yellow machine here is pumping hydrogen into the engine, which is burning off the carbon. We've had an injector cleaner put in the fuel tank that just aids cleaning up the tip of the injector, and our stage 3 chemical, which cleans off the oily gunk out of the EGR, the turbo, and dries the carbon up pre putting the hydrogen into the engine. So that's going to be finished in about 10 minutes. We'll then be using our DPF cleaning system, which is this cleaning chemical here that will be pressurized in through this pipe into the DPF and left to dwell, which will break down all the soot in the DPF, and then will be flushed out, and we'll see where we are from there. So we'll do another video in probably about 45 minutes time, when we start flushing out the DPF, and show you what that's all about. But have a great day, people. If you need us for any diagnostics, carbon cleaning, DPF cleaning, or remapping services, please give us a call on 01293 769495. Have a great day. So good afternoon everyone, we're back again for part 2 on the Volvo. This is now going through its first stage flush, cleaning the carbon out. So I just wanted to show you, once the chemical's dwelled, the engine is held at 2 to 2,500 RPM, and it flushes out the chemical, pulling out the soot. We do 2 further flushes afterwards to clean the soot out of the DPF. Then we'll remeasure the pressures, make sure that the DPF is clean, and in normal circumstances If this was a fresh job, we'd be putting a new DPF pressure sensor on and making sure that it matched, because the original new replacement sensor that the garage fitted didn't match and wasn't reading correctly, hence why we ended up with the problem returning, or the independent garage did. But this will be going back to them to replace the sensor under warranty, and then she'll be as good as gold. So just to confirm, UK Carbon Cleaning are engine carbon cleaning, DPF cleaning, remapping and diagnostic specialists. We're a mobile service pretty much across the UK. You can give us a call on 01293 769495, or alternatively send us a message and we'll be happy to help you. Have a great day.